As we all know, over the years, electronics has really picked up. Customers are now looking to invest and associate themselves with the product related to the 3C industry. Hello everyone, I am Vikas Bhardwaj, Sales Director for South Asia in CERATIZIT. Welcome to EMO 2025. As many of you would know, CERATIZIT is one of the leading players in the metal cutting space. What makes us unique is that we have the secured raw material supply, and we also provide a very robust recycling program. So it's powder to powder. We take pride in bringing a sustainable future to our customers and the industry as a whole. This year we got fantastic response to our digital solutions. Everyone who visited us were fascinated to see how the Spanflug and the ToolSelect, two of our flagship products in digital space, will help them to become more competitive and embrace the technology with ease. Beyond EMO, we would like all our customers to reach out to us. We can showcase, demonstrate and help them use these tools in their shops. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.